Okay, so this is what
So
she
first,
wants to make.
see the horse body. This is horse's body. Okay. This is horse's head. All right. So horse's head goes here, and there are horse's legs. Yeah. So once horse's head is here, you just put it in here. And you see here, and then you have to put the horse head too.
Look, it's
And then where's the head? Put the head, baby. Put the head in the body. Yeah, where's the body? Yeah, that's the body. And put your head in the body. Alright? And then, yeah, like that. Yes, that's good. Put it
Now
here, right?
this one.
Yeah, and then put that pin inside here. Yeah, good job. And then you see here how it comes out. And then the other side. See, now it's stuck. It stays there. Okay?
Horse tail.
Now get the horse's tail. Yeah. Can you show this? Can you show that to baby? Here's the horse's tail. Okay. You see that? See that horse's tail? Remember how it goes there.
Yeah, that one is already done, like
See?
almost
this is
there.
horse's tail, right? Isn't it horse's tail? So it goes on the back. It goes in the back like that. You see here?
Hey, give me that.
And then
What do you want?
the other
There
one
is
goes
this one.
here. No. See, look there. Look at the picture.
It's so high.
It's not hard. Okay, let me show you again. Okay?
Mom, where's the
So,
folder?
this is the
Folder,
tail. This is
that
tail
one.
goes this way, right?
No, like the
So
other
put down
folder
there.
that like, gives us directions.
You want to
Oh,
split it?
it's here.
Split it. Gently. Yeah, good job. Whack to the side. That side. You can here press like that too. Press it like that too. Okay. Now you need legs. All right. You got legs. Okay. Now see. Okay. So this is one.
Oh,
Why did you take that out?
because she needs it
Do
too.
you need to see that too?
They put it in the middle, maybe.
So you see here, one leg goes here, alright? And then, yeah, the other one goes here, okay? I just-
Okay, now you just have to put two legs. Oh, three, okay.
Let me see which one. It's a big one, no, this one will just go there. So this one goes here, and one of them goes there, you see here? Okay, now put that in there. Yeah, good. And then, you know what to do, right?
But why they have one more leg here?
Good. And then the other one. Don't say that. Now what you need to do, put it here and press. Okay, I'm going to press it hard. Okay? Now it's gone there. Now another two legs. Alright? So one leg goes here. The other leg.
They're done?
Right? See there?
Let me see.
Yeah?
Oh, I'm already finished.
Jasmine, can you look at me? Okay. Okay. Jasmine is done actually.
Can you split it? So you want me to do it? You have to do it, okay? Alright,
Wait,
now
is the eye supposed to
Now draw.
I did.
Ava did it too. Okay, good job.
I
Mm.
supposed to come out.
Oh, okay. Eyes. Oh, okay. Yeah, eyes supposed to come out.
What?
Eyes. Like a small little triangle. So this one is the shape. You can use any one. Oh, somebody's baby is crying.
Daddy hold, Daddy hold.
Yeah, can you draw? Now you need to draw something there.
Hey, Dad, look, it's changing color.
Yeah. Tangle?
Daddy. What is red cap? What is her red cap? Hey, Dad,
Yes.
what is red cap?
Nothing happened. Now you just need to draw that, baby. You draw the tail, the head. You got that?
Red.
It's okay.
Red.
There's so many symbols like crown, eagle, helmet,
Star.
spiral. Oh wow, Eva is going too.
Hey, Dad, look his eyes.
Can I see Jasmine one? Okay, that is so cool. What about Eva's? Can you show me? Oh, this is Eva's. And mommy is this one.
Mama first.
Yeah, Eva horse. You can take mommy's horse. Oh, mommy needs to draw in